Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to see laws of chemical combination. So there are three laws of chemical combination. The first one is the law of conservation of mass, law of constant proportions, law of multiple proportions. In today's video, we are just going to see the first two laws, which is the law of conservation of mass and law of constant proportions. So let's see the law of conservation of mass. In this law was proposed by Anthony Lewis in 1774. So let's see the definition of this law, which is matter is neither created nor destroyed in a chemical reaction. So this law states that the matter in a chemical reaction is nor created nor destroyed. This means that the total mass of reactants is equal to the total mass of products. The reactants which we react with each other in a chemical reactions and form the product. So the total mass of product and the total mass of reactants is equal. Let's see this law with the example of an experiment. So first we have to take a flask with barium chloride solution, and then we have to take a test tube, hang it with a rope and put it sodium sulfate solution in the test tube and just put the cork. And when we put the test tube inside the barium chloride solution by releasing the rope, the white color liquid forms. Now this white color liquid is barium sulfate plus sodium chloride. So if we measure both weight, it will come 100 grams and 100 grams only. As we learn in the law, that law of constant proportion mass states that the mass or matter is neither created nor destroyed. So in same here in this example and experiment, by the law, matter is nor created nor destroyed, and it is giving the same value 100 grams. So let's see the next law, which is law of constant proportion. This was discovered by or stated by Joseph Proust in 1779. Let's see the definition. But first we need to see what is proportion. So proportion is the ratio such as the hydrogen, oxygen, and which makes it a water molecule. So what is the ratio of hydrogen and oxygen in it? So the ratio is 2:16 and 1:8. So let's see the definition. A chemical compound always consists of the same elements combined together in the same proportion by mass. So you can see over here that the water molecule, has two hydrogen atoms and one oxygen atom. So therefore, by multiplying the numbers by its mass, so if oxygen is one atom, so its mass will be 16, and hydrogen has two atoms, so it will be 1 into 2, which is 2 is to 16, and after simplifying it, we will get 1 is to 8, which is the constant ratio or constant proportion for the water molecule. Now we can see that there are two hydrogen atoms and one oxygen atom. So now we have a pond and a river, and we can see that both has some water in it. So if we see in a microscope by taking a water from these both sources of water, we will see that molecule will look same. Now why it is so? Because as I told you that there is a constant proportion of each and every molecule. So whether you take the water from pond, from river or the ocean, the molecule or the proportion of hydrogen and oxygen in every place will be same. And this states the law of constant proportion. Thank you.